If you work with any client retirement plans or would like to see that part of your business grow, you are just the person we want to talk to. The purpose of this video is to talk a bit about how we can help you supercharge your retirement plan practice. We are Custom Pension Advisors, a TPA firm in Bismarck, North Dakota, and it's time for us to talk. I'm sure that you work hard to be an invaluable part of your client's business and financial success, right? But you may be missing out on a valuable resource that could benefit them greatly. If you have a client who owns a small to medium-sized business, let's team up. We can work with you to determine the best retirement plan options for your clients. With over 30 years of tax, accounting, and retirement plan experience, we understand the importance of retirement plan design and administration. So let's talk about how we can help you supercharge your retirement plan practice. In working with dozens of financial advisors, we've noticed there are 6 common mistakes that advisors often make that limits the growth of their retirement plan practice. If you see yourself in any of these, let's talk about it. The biggest mistake we believe advisors make in this new world of fee disclosure is not having a value proposition. Basically, what are you being paid for? A well thought out value proposition is the most important thing that you can have to distinguish yourself from other financial advisors selling the same products. There are several very good tools available to help you develop your value proposition, so the process isn't as daunting as it may sound. Second, you may only focus on investments. Let's be honest, most clients or participants don't really care which funds they are using, and again, generally it's the same product as the advisor across the street can provide. What is important is developing a relationship with some 401k wholesalers who can help you understand which products work best for your client situations. Third, you haven't found and/or developed a niche market for your plan clients. Review your clients and prospects for similarities. Consider your hobbies or social or other affinity groups. Everyone likes an expert because everyone thinks their business is unique. Again, let us help you. We are experts in plan evaluation and design, and when we work together, your client will love his or her team of experts who are working to address their business concerns. Mistake number 4 is not talking to existing clients about their plans. You may be missing some major opportunities with clients and their employees, as well as referral opportunities. You have already established a level of trust and credibility. Make use of it. It's a lot easier fishing in a trout pond than a mountain stream, and the trout taste the same. A 5th mistake is not considering plan design options. Plan design is what ultimately drives client satisfaction, so let's look for ways to make their plans more attractive to your clients. Some examples include selecting the best safe harbor option, cross-testing, or adding a cash balance plan to help the business owner put away some more money. Finally, number 6 is marketing for retirement plans like other financial services. It's time to think outside the box. Embrace fiduciary status. Develop your own suggested allocation portfolios or consider using a pooled account. That's the kind of service that your clients expect from you and think they're already paying for. Utilize the tools we have described. All of these tools can help you become a go-to 401k advisor and your client's hero. Remember, we are eager to help you develop your 401k business, so give us a call to discuss the ideas we've laid out here. It doesn't have to be anything formal, perhaps just a short conversation to visit more about what we can develop together. You can reach us at 701-255-7259, visit our office at 300 North 31st Street, Suite 1 in Bismarck, or our website at www.custompensions.com, or go ahead and send us an email. You can email John Power at john@custompensions.com or Matt Power at matt@custompensions.com. Let's work together to become superheroes for your clients.